You decide to hire an attorney because he's gotten such great past results. And your idea is, hey, there's no way that this attorney can lose when he goes to trial. You want to know why that line of thinking is totally flawed? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some remarkable insight. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of New York. I have spoken with injured victims who have gone to an attorney who told them, listen, I've gotten great results in the past. Here's a list of all the wonderful results I've gotten, the great settlements, the great verdicts I've gotten. And that's why I want you to come to me, because I have great experience. And you know what? There is no substitute for experience. That's a great thing to do, to be able to say, I've got all these great results, these great settlements and verdicts. Terrific. But a lot of these people get enamored with the fact, hey, this guy is so great, and guess what? There's no possible way he can lose my case. Well, here's the reality. You can have the best case in the world. You can go to an attorney who you believe is the best attorney in the world for you, who's gotten great results, and you wind up losing your trial. And you sit there stunned saying, how could this possibly be? He got great results in the past. He told me I had a great case. We had great witnesses. And now the jury came back and told me I don't get a dime of compensation. I've lost my trial. How could that be? I'll tell you how it could be. It's because no attorney in New York State can ever guarantee a particular result. I don't care what results they've gotten in the past. There is no attorney in New York State who can ever come to you and say, listen, you've got a great case. I guarantee that the jury's going to give you a verdict in your favor. I guarantee the jury's going to compensate you for this amount of money. You know why? It's because it is physically impossible for an attorney to guarantee you a result. And by the way, you should also know that it is also an ethical violation for an attorney to ever promise or guarantee you a particular result. So now, you as an injured victim who's trying to find the right attorney for you, how does that make you feel when you learn for the very first time that no attorney can guarantee a result, even though they've accomplished great things in their past career? How does that make you feel? It gives you a lot of uncertainty, doesn't it? But an attorney who has gone through this before, an attorney who has experience with your specific type of case, don't you think that they would have more of a chance of winning or getting a better result than an attorney who has never had this type of experience, never worked on this type of case, never had the type of settlements or verdicts involved in your specific type of case? Obviously, we would like to believe that, and there may be truth to that. But the real question for you is, you can't go in there with blinders believing that just because an attorney has achieved great results in the past means that he's going to be able to do the same exact thing for you right now. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you to dispel the myth and the belief that the attorney can guarantee a particular result, that there's no way that the attorney can lose your case because you know in your heart of hearts that you have a good, solid case. You know, I realize you're watching this video because you're searching for an attorney to help solve your problem. Well, if you do have legal questions and your matter happened here in the state of New York, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.